Hi, thank you for joining me again today. Today I'm going to make with you an easy pita bread and salad lunch. It's just a small snack, nice and easy, the type of thing that you could easily make up in 5 to 10 minutes. So I've got some lovely pita breads, nice and fresh from the supermarket, and I'm just going to make this for 2 people. So I'm just popping the 2 pita breads into the toaster. I like to angle them so that they fit all the way into the toaster. So I'm just going to make a quick salad. I've got a nice fresh tomato here, and I'm just going to slice that up to make just 2 easy salads. This is the type of salad that would remind you of being on holiday. It's nice and fresh, but extremely simple. So I'm just slicing the tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. And then I'm just going to make a quick salad dressing, which I'll show you in a minute. This is the cucumber. Cucumbers in the UK are normally eaten with the skin on, as the skin is quite a fine, thin skin in the UK, so we don't often peel cucumbers here. So again, just chopping them into quarters. 2 little serving dishes, and just popping the salad into the bowls. So just quick and easy. So I'm just going to make my salad dressing, which is very quick. I've got some lovely extra virgin olive oil, probably about a tablespoon just drizzled over the top. Not too much, but enough just to give it a nice taste. This is really nice salad herbs that I've bought. They're garlic and herb. Kingsford is the make of them. And again, just sprinkling that on, not worrying too much about exact amounts. Salt, again, quick shake, just to add a bit of flavour. And then I'm just going to add on a little ground pepper as well, just to help with the flavour. And a quick mix up. I'm just going to turn the pita breads over. Just like to turn them halfway through cooking so they're hot and toasted at both ends. So just giving the salad a little mix through. And then popping them back onto the plates, just ready to serve. Just going to pop this out the way, just to plate up. And then just bringing my plates over. On the plates I've got some lovely cheddar cheese. It's a nice mature cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. You can use vegetarian or vegan or any kind of cheese. And that's the hot pita bread. Always use tongs. Pita bread has quite a lot of steam that builds up on the inside, and I'm always burning my fingers if I don't use the tongs. So I'm just going to pop just the nice little piece of butter on the top. You don't need an awful lot of butter when you have a pita bread, because the butter just sits on top. It's not like usual bread where the butter soaks in. And that's it. It's a quick and easy meal, but it tastes fantastic. It's nice and fresh. It's a light meal. You can have another pita bread with it if you want, or 1.5. So I really hope you give this quick and easy lunch a go. It's a real reminder of the Mediterranean, reminds you of being on holiday and enjoying just a light lunch, nice and fresh and simple. It's a type of meal that I hope that you will enjoy as I do. Thank you.